Dear children, in this video we are going to learn what is the use of measurement, why we are using measurement, all those things we can learn in this video. First we shall see what is measurement. First we are measuring the time, at what time we want to go to school, at what time we want to have our lunch, and then what is the weight of ourselves, what is the weight of your school bag. So we are using the weight. So time is a one measurement, weight is a measurement, volume that means you have a water bottle. Is it a 1 liter of water bottle or a half liter of water bottle? That is a capacity, we can say it's a capacity. And then temperature, if you are ill, you'll go to hospital, immediately they will check the level of the fever, so that is temperature. Then length, the length of the pencil, length of the blackboard, length of the table. So we can measure the length or distance between one place to another place. And then how speed we are driving our bike or car, so the speed can be measured. So these are all the measurement. Now we are going to learn the need for measurement. We are going to learn the measurement of the length. Particularly we are going to learn the measurement of the length. So now let us learn why we are learning the measurement of the length. What is the need? See, you have a cute room. Now that window is empty, so now we want to buy a curtain. So now you can go to the shopkeeper and you may ask, can you give me the curtain? So now immediately the shopkeeper will ask, what is the length of the window? So how much of cloth I want to give? So he will raise many questions. So in this situation, definitely you want to measure the length of the window. Then only you can purchase the proper curtain. So in this place it is needed. Like this we are measuring in many places. Let us learn about that. I want to purchase a bedsheet cover. So now definitely they will ask, what is the length of your bed? So now I want to measure the length. Our ancestors, they used their body, parts of the body, to measure the length. See, this is called as hand span. This is foot span. So like that they measured. When they are measuring, the measurement will not be fixed. It will be vary to person. If a small little girl is measuring the same length, it will be different. If the man, a father, if he's measuring, means that measurement will be different. So this is called as non-standard units. For example, that girl, a small girl, is measuring the table with her cubit. So this to this finger, this is cubit. So she measured 1 cubit, 2 cubits, 3 cubits and 4 cubits. Now her father is measuring the same table, but now that measurement is 3 cubit. So that girl measured 4, this father measured 3 cubits. So the length is not fixed. It is vary from person to person. That is why we are telling that is the non-standard units. Here I list out some non-standard units. This is hand span. This is cubit, pace, fingers, foot span. Now it's a time for small activity. Just you can measure the dining table or your study table with your hand span, and you can count it how many hand span is this, and you can ask your mother to measure the hand span, and then you can find out the difference between them. Check it whether both the measurements are equal or not. To avoid this confusion, we prefer the standard units. So standard units means we can use our scale. It's a ruler. So whomsoever is measuring, that measurement will not be changed. So that scale is a standard unit. We can take scale for measure something to prefer the standard units. Now we are going to learn some measuring units of the length. Millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. Millimeter. If it is a very small distance, as like a bindi, as like your width of the paper, if you want to measure very small thing, we can use millimeter. The centimeter. Centimeter in the sense you can measure a small things. You can measure your pencil, eraser, sharpener. These things you can measure it by using centimeter. Meter can be it. This is the standard unit of the length, and also we can measure length of the cloth or height of the tree, height of the pole, height of yourself. Like this we can use a meter scale. And then kilometer means it is used to it is used to measure the distance between one place to another place. Let us learn little bit more. Dear children, do you have your geometry box? Yes, you have a scale. Take your scale, keep it with you. Just you can observe this. Here very small lines are given, and 0, 1, 2, 3. These measurements are given, isn't it? So actually the small measurement, no, one point to another line, the small line, that is called as millimeter. So you can say clearly this distance between these two things, two lines, no, the small distance is millimeter. So if you count this, you have a scale with you. I hope that you can count the lines. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when the 10th line comes, we put 1. So it tells that 0 to 1, that is 1 centimeter. So 10 millimeter is equal to, when it comes to 10 millimeter, we can say that is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Here is a tailor uncle. He has a big meter scale. Look at here. He has 1 meter rule. Now we are going to learn about this. Yes, this is a meter rule. Look at here. 1, and immediately it comes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I told that this is 1 meter 1 meter rule. So it is divided into even parts, equal parts. But we have 10 equal parts are there. 1. So this 10, 1 to 10, no? So this is called as 1 centimeter. 1 to 10, that is 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Smaller lengths are measured in centimeter. So this is centimeter. Here we are measuring as centimeter. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So it goes on. No, 100 centimeter. So here it is 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So if you are telling that we have a 1 meter scale, we can say I have 100 centimeter scale. Okay. This meter roll can be measured like this. The length of the cot or length of the sari. So in that situation we can use this two scales are measured here. So it is a 2 meter, not centimeter, 2 meter bed. And then the last one, the longer distance. See here to here. So the distance, one state to another state. So the longer distance, like distance between two cities or one place to another place, Chennai to Ramnad. So like the two cities are measured in kilometers. So the short form of kilometer is K. So this is a relation between the units. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. cm means centimeter, mm millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. I hope you have learnt thoroughly about the measurement of length. Thank you, children.